Welcome to Bioengineering 101, the distance learning course. I'm glad that you are enrolled and we can make our efforts pay off if we work together in this course. This is the first year that the distance learning version of BENG 101 is being offered, so you're going to be in a small cohort of students where we are piloting this course. I'm your professor, Dr. Caitlin Burke. Like you, I have a number of interests outside of George Mason, outside of bioengineering. I love fishing. I'm an avid traveler. I also really enjoy working out. I am an avid runner. I've run numerous 10Ks, 5Ks, 10 milers, working my way up to a half marathon hopefully this year. I also play a lot of tennis, and I'm very into gardening and cooking. This year I had a tomato garden, basil, sweet pea, squash, and jalapeno peppers. Kind of a little bit about me. I love learning. I've basically been in academia my entire life, either as a student or as an educator. I grew up in Vienna, Virginia, so I went to Madison High School. Upon graduating, I went to the University of Virginia, where I got my BS in bioengineering, and then completing my undergraduate degree, I decided to stay on board at the University of Virginia, where I pursued my PhD in bioengineering as well. Upon completing my PhD at the University of Virginia, I then did a postdoctoral fellowship at the National Institutes of Health in Bethesda, Maryland, in the Clinical Center, where I worked on preclinical research and clinical trials using image-guided therapy for targeted drug delivery. So using focused ultrasound to target the delivery of drugs non-invasively. And then I started at George Mason University as an assistant professor and the associate chair in the Department of Bioengineering in the summer of 2012. So I'm relatively new to the department. This semester we're going to go over a wide variety of topics, some of which are kind of shown in this image. I'm going to do my best to introduce you to the field of bioengineering. This course will survey the field of bioengineering and the global impact of biotechnology. In particular, in this course, we will discuss the breadth of activities and career paths in bioengineering, explore biological systems with an emphasis on quantitative engineering tools and concepts, illustrate the impact of bioengineering on biological research, healthcare, medicine through devices, diagnostic tools, and methods. And lastly, we are going to introduce a sophisticated software package called MATLAB, which will help you design and solve bioengineering problems quantitatively. Over the course of this semester, you'll be introduced to many faculty in the Department of Bioengineering through a series of guest lectures. So shown on this slide are images of many of the faculty in our department. Each of these faculty members has a particular research interest, and in their guest lecture, they're going to discuss what that is. So for example, the chair of our department, Dr. Pancrazio, is very interested in neural engineering, so he'll present a mini lecture on neuroengineering, whereas Dr. Kanemoto is very interested in MRI imaging, so she'll discuss how medical resonance imaging can be used as a diagnostic tool. And then Dr. Wei is interested in biomechanics, so she'll present a lecture on biomechanics. So this should be a great way for you to kind of put faces with names as far as the faculty members in the Department of Bioengineering. By the end of this course, I hope that we will accomplish the following learning objectives. So by the end of this course, students should be able to explain with examples what the bioengineering profession is all about, describe the relationships between different functions of engineers, and discuss what biomedical engineers do. Be able to explain and illustrate how important functions of the human body, in particular cardiac contraction, blood circulation, and electrophysiology, are studied using principles of engineering and quantitative methods. develop the necessary skill set to analyze problems related to bioengineering using MATLAB. And then MATLAB is one of the commonly used tools in the area of bioengineering. So this is that software package I mentioned. Acquire through self-initiated research technical knowledge related to the course, and this will be achieved via a research project. And the last is contrast the field of bioengineering to other fields of studies and make an informed decision on whether to pursue a career in bioengineering. So hopefully this course will give you a broad introduction to what bioengineering is all about, and then if you love it, stick with it, be a bioengineer, and if not, maybe a different major would be appropriate for you. So I wish you all success in this course. If you apply yourself in this course, I'm confident that you will be successful. There's a variety of resources available. If you ever have any questions, all of my contact information is available on Blackboard, as well as the contact information of the faculty in the Department of Bioengineering and our teaching assistant for this course. Thank you very much.